Green tea has been described as a natural remedy that may relieve fibroid symptoms and, in some cases, shrink the tumors. Fibroids are benign growths in the womb and the most common tumors in women. Up to 30% of women of childbearing age may have fibroids. Their symptoms include irregular and heavy menstrual bleeding, pelvic pain, bloating, constipation, painful sex, challenges with fertility, and more. If you have fibroids and do not wish to or cannot take conventional medical or surgical treatments, a 2021 study suggests some benefits from the green tea extract epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG). After 3 months on this extract for women over 40 years, there was a significant reduction in the average size of their subserosal and intramural fibroids bigger than 3 centimeters. The study observed that taking vitamins B and D combined with green tea were more effective than green tea alone. It was a small study though. We need more research to see if this treatment combination will help women under the age of 40 and with particularly large fibroids. However, if you wish to reduce the bleeding and pain from fibroids, take the following combination every day for 3 months. 300 milligrams EGCG green tea extract plus 10 milligrams vitamin B6. This is 6 to 7 times the usual recommended dose and a moderately high dose but not associated with harmful effects in the short term. Finally, take vitamin D 50 micrograms or 2000 units daily. This is another maximum strength dose but suitable for short-term use. You may buy these supplements from many nature shops, and I recommend you ensure that you're buying products of high grade and original quality. Check out the link in the description for our suggestions. Before you start any new treatments, ensure you have seen your doctor to be sure they will not interfere with any pre-existing medical condition or medicines you're taking for other conditions. Always be careful to stick to the recommended dose. If you experience any adverse effects, stop the supplement immediately and seek medical advice. It's also useful to maintain a symptom diary to see what changes happen as you take these supplements, and you can get one from the link in our description box below. Stop this treatment after 3 months for a review with your healthcare practitioner. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.